Hello everyone, welcome to Infotainment Fountain. So today we are going to learn about light energy. What is light energy? Light is an invisible energy which causes sensation of vision. Light travels at a very fast speed, that is 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second. What gives us light? It is the luminous objects which can emit light of their own, and it gives us light. What is bioluminous? Light, the light gives out by living bodies is called bioluminous. Luminous and non-luminous objects. All objects which can emit light by themselves are called luminous objects, while the objects which cannot emit light energy of their own are called non-luminous objects. Example of luminous objects are sun, star, candle, bulb, etc. Non-luminous examples are moon, earth, shoe, paint, etc. Why are the moon and the planets considered as non-luminous body? The simple reason is that they do not produce light of their own. Instead, they reflect the light from of the sun falling on them. Therefore, they are non-luminous body, like this. So these are the light rays falling on the moon, and this moon will reflect back the light, so they don't emit their own light and they reflect. So they are called non-luminous objects. So moon and planet will not emit its own light. It is an important point. What happens when light falls on an object? The object may transmit, scatter, absorb, or bounce back the light. Transparent, translucent, and opaque. What is transparent? All light passes through transparent objects. All light passes through it. In translucent, some light passes through it. In opaque, no light passes through it. Ray and beam. What is a ray? A collection of so a, a collection of large number of rays is called a beam of light. So a beam means a collection of rays. Of ray is called a beam. So what is a ray? The path along which the light energy travels in a given direction is called a ray of light, and it is shown by a straight line. So this is a ray. There are three kinds of beam of light. There are parallel beam of light, convergent beam of light, and divergent beam of light. What is parallel beam of light? When a large number of rays are parallel to each other, they are called parallel beam of light. When ray of light coming from different directions meet at a point, such a collection of rays is called convergent beam of light. When a ray of light starting from a point travel in various directions, the collection of such rays is called divergent beam of light. Reticular propagation of light. So what do you understand from this picture? You can understand that light travels in a straight line. So for example, in a cinema hall, you may notice how the light from the projector falls on the screen, and And this example shows that light travels in a straight line. And this property of light traveling in a straight line in a medium is called reticular propagation of light. So now you have learned that light travels in a straight line. When an opaque object is placed in the path of light, what do you notice? Is there any dark region on the other side of the object? And this dark region is called shadow. So, formation of shadows. When the sun shines on the pole, a shadow of pole is cast. At different time of the day, the shadow will be at different place. The shadow will have different length. The rotation of the earth on its axis causes the position and the length of the shadow to change. If an object is placed in an open space, the length and the position of the shadow changes from west to the east. So, in the morning, the shadow will be longer, and as the sun rises until midday, it becomes shorter. At midday, it will be the shortest, and in the afternoon, it will be longer. So, in morning and afternoon, it will be longer as the sun rises until midday, and at midday, it will be shortest. Properties of shadows. Shadows are formed by opaque and translucent objects. The number of shadows is equal to number of light sources. The shape of shadow depends on shape of the object. As the distance of the light source from the object increases, the size of the shadow decreases. Question and answer. So now we are going to answer few questions. Planets are luminous body. No, they are non-luminous. They don't emit their own light. Instead, they reflect the light of the sun falling on them. So they are non-luminous bodies. Sun is a luminous body. Yes, sun is a luminous body. A bulb produces parallel beam of light. No, it produces divergent beam of light. So now let us take this circle as a bulb, and from this point the light will travel in various directions. So we have learned that when the ray of light starting from a point travel in various directions, the collection of such ray is called divergent beam of light. Light can follow any possible path for its propagation. No, it can only follow straight line. We can see objects only when they fall on them. Yes. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.